Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alfreda Nadadakna. I'm from class TM4, 12 TM4. So today I would like to deliver my argument about the topic technology and politics. The use of social media platform as a primary source of political news is damaging to democracy because it spreads misinformation and creates a social division. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Social media, for introduction, social media platforms have become one of the main source of political news, especially among young people. Information spreads within a second, reaching a million of users across different regions. This rapid access appears to strengthen democratic participation by making political issues more visible and accessible. However, the increasing dependence on social media for political information also brings serious risks. I strongly agree that using social media as a primary source of political news is damaging to democracy because it accelerates the spread of misinformation and intensifies the social division. Next. One major concern is the rapid circulation of misinformation. Social media allows anyone to publish political content without verification, making false claims easy to spread. This problem becomes more serious considering how widely these platforms are used. A survey conducted by Katadata found that 80.4% of young Indonesians rely on social media as their main source of political information. When most young citizens depend on platforms with limited fact-checking, the risk of misinformation influencing political opinions increase significantly. Democracy depends on informed citizens, yet misinformation weakens the foundation. Next, another serious issue is the culture of fear of missing out, or we call it FOMO, which shapes how people respond to political content online. Many users join trending discussion even when they don't fully understand the issue, simply to feel included. Research published by MDBI shows that individuals with higher level of FOMO are more likely to conform to group behavior. As a result, people often repeat popular opinion without critical reflection. This conformity suppresses independent thinking and reduces meaningful debate, both of which are essential in democratic society. Third is the impact of this conformity extends beyond individual behavior and contribute to wider social division. When misinformation spread widely, society becomes divided into groups that defend opinion emotionally rather than rationally. A report by Compass revealed that political posts account approximately 24.7% of all the tech posts in social media. These figures show how political misinformation dominate the digital platform has deepened polarization. In the long term, such division weakens cooperation and social cohesion, which are vital for democratic stability. So in conclusion, relying on social media as the primary source of political news poses serious risk to democracy. The widespread use of social media among young citizens increases exposure to misinformation, while the culture of FOMO encourages conformity and suppresses independent thought. The dominance of political hopes in digital platforms further deepens in social division and polarization. Although social media provide fast access to the information, democracy ultimately depends on the critical thinking and the courage to form independent opinion. Without these qualities, digital political engagement might harm rather than strengthen the democratic values. So yeah, that's all for me. Sorry if there's any mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.